everybody, it's Tyler. Welcome to No Idea Automotive. And today, we're going to attempt to tape up this engine block and paint it. Right, so Cody here has already started taping up the parts of the engine where we do not need paint on it. And he is using this very tiny blade to cut whatever excess tape he has. So basically, I hope you just enjoy us taping this engine, I guess, because that's what we're doing. We're going to paint it to where it kind of matches these, correct? Am I right?
Yeah, it's actually a Chevy paint.
Yes.
It's actually...
Which is this?
Look right here.
Okay.
Chevy orange red.
Okay, cool. So, yep, so that's why we're taping this up, so we can paint it to match this intake, and then these are called the... heads.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to work on that, and hopefully we'll get to a point where we can make these resemble closer to these right here. I did want to mention, as you've seen in other videos, we are working on restoring his 1984 GMC K1500. Did I get that right? Cool.
K is four-wheel drive.
So, yep. That's what we're working on. This is the motor that is going to be going into that vehicle. So he is just getting it prepped so that it can be ready whenever the vehicle is ready to take it. So that's pretty much...
Oh, it's going to take...
So we have like mummified this engine block. Some of it looks like a little bit of overkill, but hey, it is what it is, right? So now we're getting ready to paint it. I don't know how much you would trust me to do this. I need to learn, but like, it's your engine.
I'll find something metal for you to paint.
Yeah, we'll go with that. I don't want to mess this up at all.
Yeah, like when we go to paint like these covers, even the intake.
Okay.
Like, it doesn't matter that much. I mean, it's this. You just don't want inside your piston walls.
Yeah, no, I don't want to ruin your engine block that you just got back. So I'm gonna let him paint his own. Have you ever painted an engine block before?
Negative.
All right. Well, like I said, this is No Idea Automotive, where we have no idea what we're doing. But hey, I think we did a pretty good job of patching everything up so paint doesn't get where it doesn't belong. And also, we're looking at the color that this is supposed to be, and then looking at the color of this stuff.
Yeah, I believe this is a good old Mopar orange.
Yeah, and then we got...
But these are L98 Corvette heads, so clearly not Mopar.
Yeah, so it's going to be interesting if the engine just turns out two-tone. But hey, it is what it is, I guess. Okay. Well,
Try to keep her turned at an angle so you can kind of see the...
Let's see. Uh-oh. What? It doesn't look too bad. Hey, it's...
I guess that was just a cap, maybe.
Yeah, maybe it was, because it doesn't look bad at all. All right, I think this is going to look pretty cool once it's all done. So, we'll see how it goes. I forgot to mention, this is not how you're supposed to paint anything. There's barely any ventilation in this room, and we don't have any mask. Just don't try this at home. Not that we're professionals, but I don't advise this. So I just wanted to put that out there. All right, so he just finished painting this, and actually it's crazy how this color here almost exactly matches what's already on these Corvette headers.
Heads.
I don't know why I can't remember.
Just
heads. It's crazy how it looks way different than what the cab looked like, which is here, and what it actually looks like, and it looks really good, and I'm really excited.
And if you are curious which motor is,
yep.
Look at your engine stamp. GM 5.7 liter.
Yep. And it looks good.
350 small block.
It looks really nice. This orange is going to be great inside of this thing. Yep. Yeah, there's no way I would have even attempted to try to paint that at all. But it's definitely looks a lot better than it did.
Over here.
All right.
Intake.
Goes on top of those. All right. Cool. Well, in the next episode of us restoring his 1984 GMC K1500, that's what we'll be working on. But if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the notification bell if you are subscribed so you get notified of any videos that we come out with. There will be a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of every week. And hopefully you can follow us along on this journey of bringing this old truck back to life. Till the next one, learn what you don't know, and we will see you later.